Gyan Sagar Educational Group presents eSchool.
Good morning, children. Children, in this video we will see how to fill OMR sheet. So for that we need to know each and everything. First thing, I just want to explain you all the instructions which is necessary for filling the OMR sheet beta. Please keep remember all the things. First one is that you have to use only black or blue ballpoint pen to fill the circle. You are not supposed to fill the circle with pencils. Pencils are not allowed. Then circle should be designed completely and properly. Next is cutting and erasing on the sheet is not allowed, and you are not supposed to use marker or whitener while writing your exam. So now I am telling you how to fill OMR sheet. So here in this sheet you can see in the very first column here roll number is written. Okay, next is W, O, B, G, S and C. These letters are written. So W stands for white class students, those who are in white section. Then O stands for orange, then blue, then green, then science and commerce. These last two sections you can see here. In these last two boxes you can find S and C. S is for class 12 science students and C is for class 12 commerce students. Then here you can see name is written. You have to write your name in capital letter. Keep remember, you have to write your name in capital letter. Then class is written and section is written. Then in class you will write class, in which class you are and you are in which section, followed by subject, then subject code. For subject code, if you remember, then only write, otherwise you will get the subject code from the board. On the day of your examination, subject code for the subject would be written on the board. You can copy down the subject code from the board. Then date of exam. So here you have to fill date, then month, then year. Okay, so last is candidate's signature. You have to sign here and the person who is giving duty will sign here in this column. So let's see how to fill these bubbles. So suppose you are the student of class 10th white and your name is Aditya Telam. Okay, so you are in white section. Then first you have to fill this circle, darken this circle, W. Then your roll number is 1001. So first fill this 1. Then here in next column you will find 0 is written here. Then 0. Then again 0. In next column you will find again. Then last is 1. So if your roll number is 1001, this way 1001. This way you have to fill this roll numbers column. Then move on, name. Then as I told you, in capital letter you have to write your name. So suppose your name is Aditya. I am writing Aditya followed by surname. Okay, you can see I have written Aditya Telang. You are in class 10th white. Don't write initial, write white, WHITE, this way. Okay, then subject. Suppose your English exam is there, write down English in bold capital letter. Okay, this should be written, all the instructions should be written in bold capital letters. Then subject code. For English, subject code is 184. I know, that is why I am writing 184 for class 10th. Okay, And if you don't remember, you will get the subject code from the board. You can copy down the subject code from the board on the day of your examination. Then you can see here D is written, M is written, Y is written. D is for date, M is for month, and Y is for year. So suppose your exam is on 27th. So write down 27, then month is September, that is 9. Then write down 09, then 2021, then write down 2021. So this way you have to fill these all information. And lastly, the candidate signature is written. You are there to give the exam, so your initial or your signature should be done here. See next column. After filling all the information, you will see next box. In that you will find 20 questions are there. So here question number is written. So question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The same way 11 to 20 numbers are written here. So for question number 1, if the correct option is A, so you have to darken this bubble, okay, completely, properly. It should be filled properly. Then for suppose question number 2, the correct answer is C, then you have to darken this circle. Okay, so this way you have to attempt all the 20 questions. And please, once again, I am reminding you that not to cut after filling the circle. After darken the circle, you should not cut your answer. Make sure that your answer is correct, then only fill the bubbles, not before that. Hope that much is clear to each and everyone. Thank you, children.
Gyan Sagar Educational Group presents